Good day, I'm Nicole Dian Formelosa and this is my Activity 1 in Finals in Net 2. Ayan, so first, kailangan natin ng dalawang PC dito sa end devices. Ayan, and then kailangan natin palitan ng port which is yung FGE. Ayan. First PC and then the second PC is same lang. Okay. Next naman is papalitan natin siya ng or magsaset tayo ng IP address and need na naka-static siya. Same lang dito sa pangalawang PC. 192.168.1.2. Yan. Okay. Then after that, pag connect natin siya using this fiber optic cable. Ayan. Okay. And then, to try, lagay natin tong simple FDU. And dito sa simulation. Okay. I-play natin. And yun, makikita natin successful siya. Yan. Ibig sabihin, connected sila. And then, try din natin na i-ping yung isa't isa. Okay, IP config muna tayo. Yan. And then, i-ping natin tong kabilang PC. Ayan. So, may mga reply. Ibig sabihin, connected sila. And then, try natin dito sa kabila. Same process lang din. Ayan. 0.168. Ayan. So, ganun din. So, yun lang po, as simple as that, creation of peer-to-peer network using fiber optic cable. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching.